This is Ellius Mahmud. Welcome all the students. Our online class is going on, and how we feel. I think that it will be very helpful for you because COVID-19 is going on. It is not possible to take the classes physically, so our responsible administrator has taken such type of step to make you help such type of serious condition. Okay, the last class was about parts of speech. We learned that parts of speech is the part of sentences, the small unit of sentences. Today I will try to make you clear about the another topics that if we define or analyze words, what type of small unit we get and how it helps us to learn parts of speech more effectively. So let's go. Our subject code is 65712. Today's topic, prefix. Prefix means উপসর্গ. Before going to the topics prefix, we have to have other knowledge that will help you to learn the basic theme of this class. It may be new to you, the morpheme. The morpheme is a grammatical part. Its function is like that. When we divide a word into meaningful parts, we identify the smallest units of the meaning that make up each word. These parts or units are called morphemes. That means if we like to make any or like to form any words, then we have to use several small units. Every several units of a word we can say morpheme. Here is the example by which we can be more clear about that. Replacements. The main word is that replacement. The main word is that replacement. If I divide or make the smallest units of that word replacements, I get replacement and s. Here you see among the 4 morphemes, only one can be make a meaning, place. Place that means jaga, but remain and s that cannot be make the meaning. Okay. On basis on the meaning, it has morpheme is in 2 categories, like that bound morpheme and free morpheme. Here bound morpheme is that which morpheme cannot make its meaning itself. It helps the free morpheme to make the meaning. That's called bound morpheme. Okay. That's why we can say remain and s are the bound morpheme, and place that is the word. It's noun, it may be verb, but it's free because it has itself meaning. A morpheme like place which can stand alone as a word is called a free morpheme. A morpheme that cannot stand alone but must be attached to another morpheme is a bound morpheme. That has been already told. The role of a bound morpheme is to change in some way the meaning of the word to which it is attached. That means attaching with the pre-morpheme, it makes a new word. Here there are some words in red color like that: build, builder, rebuild, building and buildings. Here we have some units, small units, that is before the word and after the word. Like that, if I say build, here build is only one unit. That's why it has only one part. But builders, it has two parts, build and ER. Rebuild, two part, building, two part, buildings. Buildings, that means three parts. Okay, these are the all small parts of the words. The five words have been created from the morphemes. That means the big words has been made using this morphemes. That means we have been able to make more words using four morphemes. Word bases and affixes. Word bases, that means the main word. And affixes, that means something increasing, something enlarging, baran. That's our class. Prefixes. Our main class is about that, prefixes. It is very, very important topics for learning or making new words or understanding parts of speech more effectively. Okay, I have already told you that prefix means uposargo. We know that prefix all time take its place before a word. Okay, that's the definition. A prefix is a word that is attached to the beginning of a word or another word, but many English words contain prefixes. Knowledge of prefixes can also help us building new words to use. Here are several using of prefixes with its meaning and example. First one, prefix, meaning and example. Here is the prefix a. What is the a? The meaning of the a, not lacking without, is political. If I say political, here is a prefix apolitical. That means the against of politics, the contrary of politics. Then we have AB. AB, that means away from, off. Abduct. Abduct means snatching, kidnapping something. Then we have AD, two towards, join. Main word is join. Add, add is take its place before join. It has been adjoining, that means attachment. MB, that means both. MP, dexterous. MB, dexterous. Dexterous means skilled. MB, dexterous means that's more skilled. Anti, that means before. Antedate. Antedate, that means before the date. Anti, against, opposite. Haircut. Anti has been added before the haircut. Anti-haircut. That means Biban Vidhungshi. Arts, that's cheap. Arts enemy, Pradhan Shotru. Auto, that means self. Autobiography, you know, biography means জীবন বৃত্তান্ত, autobiography মানে আত্মজীবনী. Veni, that means well. Benevolent, benefit, benefit. By, that means to, bilateral. Lateral meaning passive. Bilateral, that means diverse. Bio and life, biology, that means জীবন সংক্রান্ত আলোচনা. Circum, that means around. Circumnavigate, জল পথে কি প্রদক্ষিণ করা. What, co means together with, joint. Worker, that means co-worker. If we add co before worker, it will be co-worker. So it will be con, together with. Patriot থেকে compatriot. Genial থেকে congenial. Counter, that means opposite. Counter productive. Productive, that means something producing something, but counterproductive, that means on the contrary of production. D, it make the meaning to remove, to deprive of, to reverse an action. That means it is the contrary antonym. We can say that it is make the antonym word. Control, recontrol, out of control, drain, demilitarize. This, to reverse an action, to remove, opposite of. Is also contrary words meaning. Content, discontent. Loyal, disloyal. Loss, disloss. Regard, disregard. God, demi, that's mean half. Demi God, half God. Across, diameter, diagonal. পরিসীমা, কর্ণ. In, cover, increase, encase, enlarge, making large. EQ, equal, equilateral, সমবাহু. X, outside, former, more than. Ex singer, ex manager, ex chairman, ex principal. That's all making with ex. Extra, beyond or outside. Extraordinary, that means something more than ordinary. Ordinary, that means simple, as usual. Like that, for, F-O-R-E, for, before, could be, for one, for ten. সতর্ক করা, আগেই বলে দেওয়া, forward, etc. Hemi, just means half. Hemisphere, sphere, that means স্তর. Hemisphere, অর্ধেক স্তর. Homo, similar, homophones. Hyper, above, over. Hypersensitive, sensitive, that means সংবেদনশীল. Hypersensitive, more sensitive. In is lacking, without. Complete, the contrary word, incomplete. Legal, illegal. In or I are lacking, without. Balanced to imbalance, relevant to irrelevant. In meaning, that means into. Port, import, flame, in, flame. Inter, between or among. Inter-school, ministry, international, etc. It has been told. Macro, that means large. Macroeconomics, large economics, vast economics. Micro, that means small. Micro computer, that means ক্ষুদ্র computer. Mal, bad, ill, wrongful. Font, malfont, that means that is not formed correctly, wrongly formed. Maltreated, misbehaved, treat or maltreated. On the contrary, maltreat. Meet, in the middle of. Midway, midday, mid-April, midnight, etc. Mono, that means single. one or single. Monologue, monotone, monologue, monotone. Multi, that means many. Multilingual, multinational, multicultural. New, that means recent. New colonialism. Colonialism, that means সাম্রাজ্যবাদ. New colony, আধুনিক সাম্রাজ্যবাদ. Non, against, not. Profitable, that's the contrary we can say non-profitable. Omni, all. Potent to omnipotent. Potent, that means শক্তিশালী. Omnipotent, that means all powerful, of the power who assist. Omnipotent. Out means beyond, outside. Outnumbered, outlived. The outnumbered, that means more number. Over, above, too much. Outnumbered, outlived. It has been double. Pan, all the whole. Pan-Asian, American. Pan-Asian, that means all the people of Asian country. America, that means the United States of America. Penta means five. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Par, true. Par spare. Peri, round. Perimeter. Perimeter means apurishima, diameter means base. Fill, that means loving. Philharmonic. Harmonic, that means shurela. Philharmonic, that means loving, more effective or effective. Sure. Poly, many. Polytechnic, that means many techniques here. You are the students of polytechnics. There are very many technology here. That's why it is polytechnic. Post, after, post-war. That's means যুদ্ধ পরবর্তী. Post-war. What to post-war. Pre, before. Package থেকে pre, package. Proto, the first. Proto-Arabic. The Proto-Arabic. Semi-half. Semi-conscious. Consciousness means our সচেতন. Semi-conscious. অর্ধেক সচেতন. পুরোপুরি সচেতন না. Tele, a long distance. Telephone, television. Phone to telephone. Vision to television. Tree or tree. Tricycle. Triangle. And not opposite of, to deprive of, reverse on action. Imaginative to unimaginative. অকল্পনীয়. Cover, uncover. অর্থাৎ খুলে ফেলা, ঢাকনা সরিয়ে ফেলা. Thank you. This was the today's topics. I think it will be very effective if you can understand the topics. It will be very helpful for you to making new words, learning more parts of speech. And if you can effectively learn parts of speech and these words, you will be able to make correct sentence. Because most of the students we write English, but most of the time when we evaluate our exam script, we see there are use of wrong sentence in the khata. So I think it will be very useful, very effective for you if you can effectively learn parts of speech. That will be very helpful for you making correct sentence. Okay, all the best.